Hey everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you a video regarding how you can copy your profile link that you can share with your friends, family and whoever you want. So I'll be guiding you through it, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel and do share this video to your friends, whoever need it. Yeah, let's get started. So all you have to do is go to your Instagram, and once your Instagram page is open, click this little Instagram icon below, click that icon, and then you will go to this three-line menu above. Click that menu and then you will have your option QR code. Click that QR code and simply you can share your QR code directly so they can scan, or you can just click this copy link button. Click it and yeah, your link is copied. As you have it now, you can go back and you can share this with anybody that you want. You can just simply paste the link and share the link to whoever you want. Yeah, this is how you can copy your URL link, your profile link, to share with your friends and family. I hope this video has helped you so far, so please do make sure to leave comments below so we can make videos according to your need. And yeah, thank you so much.